After hem there is a jog command which adds two bands from a sketch line. So for that, let me show you. Sketch on front plane and then draw a rectangle. Now press OK button and then in sheet metal select base flange command. Extrude it according to your design and then press OK button. Now sketch on this face, draw a line, select jog command. First of all, it will ask you about fixed faces. So this is our fixed face. Our sketch is automatically selected. So you can see there are two bands in our sheet metal. This is the distance from this point to this point. You can increase or set your own. Scroll down, or if you uncheck this box, here is the radius for band. You can select anyone, scroll down again, and this is the type of dimension or position. This is the dimension position and this is the type of jog positions. So, and after that here is the degree for jog angle. Now you can press OK button to apply this command.